Welcome once again to the Van Rap Radio. It is what it is. Always on my page. So I've been speaking a lot about this thing they call the streets, like the streets. But it looks like most people don't understand the kwamba I mean when I'm talking about the streets. When I'm talking about the streets, as an artist, yeah, you can have a song on TV, you can have a song on radio, but you find that it's still not popping. So when I talk about you having a song on radio and having a song on TV, a bit of radio play, and then one thing I pick up a lot is that some artists shoot music videos for the songs. There was already their friends told them that they're dope, or they're just looking at who they have featured on the song. Yeah, things like those. Also, they assume like, yeah, this will be the hit, but you find that on the street there's a song that is banging, whether it's the other single, whether it's the old single, whether it's from the EP, the album, the mixtape, but they go and choose the song based on what their friends or whoever around them saying within the circles. Like, no, you're shooting this one, forgetting that the fans are the one that, like, the streets, man. When I'm talking about the street, I'm talking about the fans, I'm talking about the kids, I'm talking about the promoters, I'm talking about people that put pressures on radios, like people that really consume your music. But you go and shoot the different song that, yeah, it will have a high rotation on TV. It might be playing but not catching anybody's attention. It's just another song that is playing. It's just that song that's, yeah, it's on rotation. Then you had a bit of radio airplay, and then also on the radio it plays, you jump and then you tweet, you post like, yo, my song is on radio, my song is like, it's like you're not sure that people are really listening because no one is reacting, no one is responding. But if you see what other artist does, you look at the finest single or the work on that hit song, or they listen to what the street is saying and they take that song and they shoot the music video for it, then the street respond more, because now the song is on the street and then now the videos on TV complementing, marrying each other, giving you what you want. The radio jumps in, giving you the solid and put some honey in between. You know what I mean? But then what's the artist? They don't care about that. They just do the song and shoot the video. I'm talking this mostly based on my own people, man. When you just check out most of the music videos that are on TV, on like from Venda music, it's sad, man. There's so many nice dope videos, but the songs are not popping because the songs are not talking to anyone. They're not communicating with them, the song. Like, they don't have any connection. There's no communication between the two. That thing you're jolly, or what? Which is a problem when I'm watching most of the videos. I know we're saying this. You might come back and call me names and tell me all the kind of things that you feel like because they don't understand and all that. But that's my opinion, and that's what I'm seeing every single day. If the street is not responding, there is an issue. I'll tell you definitely the truth in if your song catches the kids on the street and they definitely sing along on your songs, that song is bound to go big. If you find ladies sharing your song and playing your song over and over, niggas are gonna jump in and that song will go big. Like, that's how. Remember, even when I talk about how most of them, they used to diss the groupies, and how that's how it destroyed most of the vendor rap, because they were spilling the secrets, they were doing secrets in the songs. They were calling them names, they were doing all these crazy things, forgetting that groupies are the one that really put the song out there and push it, and the other guys will follow and jump in. But that's the topic for another day. So what I'm trying to say is, sorry, like, a lot of shit goes on in this industry. When it goes on, you need to study, you need to understand the streets, you need to understand the ground, because the promoter won't book you because you're on TV, but they need to book you if you'll bring in fans, you'll bring in your followers, you bring in something for them, because they can't just book you and then you come and perform, people are standing there, they don't even know who the fuck is this. Oh, it's that guy. But we saw on TV, but it's one of those songs, just another song. No. Let's shoot, let's work, let's do something proper. Come on. It doesn't know somebody can drop a song with the lyrics that don't even have meaning, but the song blows up because people catch to it. people liked how the song is. Like the way you listen to my piano was the song. They have a message for certain market, but for certain people it does not have message, but it will bring in more people. Same like the old Kwaito. Kwaito, they could diss you with three words. Injenganamazinyo. Yes. Like they'll just say a couple of words, man, and the song will be a hit. Because passing a message doesn't need the whole book. It just need the way you say things and the way you do it and how you're gonna connect with the people. So that's the issue in our honorary. It's happening a lot in our music. People they're not putting any energy behind their music. They're just recording. Like we get bored, man. You can't be telling me a story all the time. You can't be explaining the same thing all the time, man. We need something different. We need something fresh. We need something that really makes sense, So the streets, it's more important. And then if you get the streets to respond to you, you get everyone, man. You got everything. Now you need to go for the corporate. Take over. Because the streets is what pays your bill. The streets is what gives you food as an artist, as an entertainer. You can act on TV and nobody will say anything about you because your acting sucks. And when you act and the street respond, like, damn, I'm right there. But if you sing and you do whatever, you rap, you play, shit. I remember the lady I was passing there, she was smiling, playing this violin thing. I didn't connect. That's not my music. I don't play Christmas music. Just trying to sell me Christmas music, like that mall, yeah. Or mention the day. I don't play Christmas music. Why would I? Trying to sell it to me, like it doesn't connect with me. That's not my kind of shit. You know what I mean? So as an artist, you need to understand that you need to connect with the streets. You need to be there for the street. You need to do things on the street. On what? Then we're talking right there. We're talking of your stuff. We're talking business. Yeah. So I don't know. It is what it is. If I've offended you, you can comment and tell me shit. Nah, I'm joking. If I've offended you guys, I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to pass the message through. I'm just trying to make you guys understand. Trying to see the things in a different way. Like the way we did it, the way we saw it, the way we pushed, the way I hustled. That's what I'm trying to say. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Whatever you want me to look at, you know what to do. Hit us up, Venda Music and Entertainment, and this is the Van Rap Radio. I'm out of here.